Kuwait Wasm season begins mid-October. Rainy season update. Big news for Kuwait. According to experienced astronomer Badr Al-Omaira, the season Wasm is expected to begin mid-October, marking the start of the rainy season in the country. The Wasm season is traditionally known for bringing cooler temperatures and increased rainfall, which plays a crucial role in replenishing water reserves and supporting agriculture and greenery in Kuwait. Experts predict that this season will bring moderate to heavy rains in some areas, along with occasional thunderstorms. Residents are advised to prepare for wet conditions and drive carefully during rainy days. The Wasm season not only brings rain but also benefits nature and water reservoirs. This period is essential for environmental sustainability and helps maintain the natural balance after the dry summer months. So get ready, Kuwait! The Wasm season starts this mid-October, bringing rain, cooler weather, and natural refreshment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest weather updates in Kuwait.